Introducing the UNG Water Enhancer. The UNG Water Enhancer is the world's first self-powered, non-filter water purifier with patented technology. Inside the head is a built-in turbo generator that harnesses electrical energy from water pressure. No need for electrical installation like water friendly and smart product. The high voltage field disrupts bacterial cell membranes, allowing ionized water molecules into the cells, causing them to expand and ultimately leading to cell destruction. It not only disinfects, but thoroughly eliminates various bacteria that enter through the water pipes. As the hydrogen bonding of water molecules weakens, the reduction in water surface tension increases the cleaning power. Through ion activation, enhancing surfactant performance, the cleansing power of soap and detergents is also improved. By effectively rinsing away detergent residues on the skin and scalp, it helps prevent various skin issues. Unlike regular filter shower heads, which fall short in bacteria removal and skin moisturization, spare yourself the hassle of constantly replacing filter shower heads. The UNG Water Enhancer, with its wall-mounted and compact design, is easy for anyone to install. No need for filter replacements. Once installed, it offers a permanent solution. Inside the UNG Water Enhancer, the electrode structure is designed to make